Guys, I'm very tired. I've been struggling to sleep. I just want to show this because I don't think I'm gonna be able to show this again. This will be for this account. I'm not gonna be sharing any more information. Um, Whoever wants to get more information should just get across. As far as I'm concerned, I'm actually looking for my browser so that I can show you the account. I think I've done some videos when I was working on the first test phase. The first test phase where I had about $37, so which was grown to like 92 or 90 something dollars. Now this is the same account that had the amount. I just want to probably maybe show you when I added some money to the account. I added about $300 to the $92. So I want to try and see if I can show you where the deposit is so that you can get to see the deposit. So if it works for smaller amount, this is about the S robot anyway. Okay, you can see that's the deposit here. Now this is the amount that was on the account, right? I funded this $300. I added it to the account when that was I think it was on the 12th and it was 11 p.m. So I added the deposit 300. So the balance on the account was $394. So let's just even say $395, right? So I have $395. So I want to show you the balance right now. Today is Sunday, so I don't trade on Sundays anyway. But I don't trade on Sundays. I'm updating some information on the browser. So the person working on it told me it just finished, so I just had to start checking it. But you can see the trades it has done. So it has now started trading with $100. Now it's supposed to do this for another 10 days, and then when it's done doing another 10 days, then we go over to $1,000. So the target actually is to be making like $500 every day or $600 every day. So once that target is hit, we're okay for the day. So this is S robot doing the trade. And for your information, from now till probably January, I'm not going to be talking about S robot anymore until I'm done with the set of 30 people that I'm working with. So I'm not requesting anybody to send any message anymore about S robot. I'm only showing you what it's capable of doing. So I'm going to be talking less about it. Yeah, because I want to concentrate on trading. So let's say from 395, let's even say from 400. So today this robot has made $55 or $58. So it has roughly made about $60. For today, it has made $60 from trading $100. So it did that for $10. It's doing the same for $10 from $100. Am I confident it's going to do it? I know, because this is how I have been trading. Now all I had to do is just to automate my method of trading so that I can have a lot of rest. I've had a wonderful Thanksgiving today, and I'm just stressed out because of going out throughout this whole week, causing some lags for me. I'm gonna get over to try and sleep. I've been trying to sleep. I'm not catching the sleep at all because I don't sleep during this time. So guys, the question is, can you learn to trade like this? Yes, I have an app, and my app is on the Play Store. Please go on the Play Store and search for TMNMedia, download, open a demo account with binary, and practice. You have a free 14 days trial you can practice with. Practice and see how it works. Now, this robot trades basically my signal, my strategy. So that's what it does. This is what I do. You have seen, go on my channel and watch all the video. You'll see me year in, year out, day in, day out, doing the same thing all over again. Now, I'm just blessed to have a robot doing the same thing for me. Yeah, it makes life a lot easier having a robot to do that for you. So now I know, oh, robot can make me $50. It can make me $100. It can make me $500. Now, where I have lackness of, control and everything, which every one of us has, we're all human beings. There are times I get to mix things up because of the things I'm working on. So all those are being sorted with automation. Automation is a lot easier. Okay, and I'm also working on some future projects that I think the automation will help others to even achieve. So guys, I'm just giving you the last update. Hey, till next year, that's when I'm going to talk about S-Robot. Yeah, till next year. So if you have any information, just send a message or call the support line. Not my main line. Don't call my main line, because I'm gonna soon hand over that line to someone else. I want to just go escape and go and just stay off online for a while. So guys, does it work? Does the TMNMedia trading strategy works? Be the judge yourself. I don't need to start convincing anybody. God bless you. I'll see you another time.